In this video, I'm going to show you how to set fees on Axiom. So the first thing you need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, the first thing you want to do if you want to set fees is you simply want to click bottom left where it says preset 1, and in here you have different presets, so preset 1, 2, and 3, and you can change the slippage, priority, and bribe fees for all of them. So let's begin with example preset 1. You can go to buy settings and then set your slippage. So for example, you want this to be 25, and then your priority fee want to be, let's say, 0.002, and then the bribe fee at 0.002 as well, okay? Now you then want to press continue after you're done, or you can simply set the sell settings as well to, let's say, we're going to 25 over here and 2 as well. There we go. As you can see, this is now saved, and you can press continue. After you press that, it's been saved for you automatically, and you can then set the preset 2 and 3 as well if you would like to do that. And then after you go to a specific coin, so just for example, I'm going to set this one. You can select the preset down here just below the buy button, so you can see the preset 1 and then slippage and priority and bribe fees, preset 2 and then 3, and it says exactly how much they are set to, and you can set all of this as I showed you over here in the bottom left. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.